Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to check your Paws allocation if you haven't done so. And this is very important so that you can be able to see what you have throughout the entire mining phase of the Paws airdrop. So firstly, the first thing you need to do is to go through your Phantom wallets, okay, and type in the pawscommunity.com. That's paws.community, as you can see at the top of the screen. That is what you need to be able to do on your Phantom wallet. Then go there to be able to verify yourself. Then you can be able to click on it and connect your Phantom wallet. So basically all you need to do is to check your allocation. Then I click confirm and it will redirect me to the official website of the Paws airdrop. I have 284.27 Paws and 10 W Paws here. I didn't mint any NFT or Paws NFT at all. I didn't do that, and I just proceeded to moving on with several other things. So the next thing that you're going to do is to go to your claim button, which is on top here next to the hamburger menu. You can be able to click on it and you see every single thing left for you. So I have 284 over 3,000 and the next. So the next activity is just to press the next button. Then my balance is 284, as you're already seeing it. In terms of statistics, I referred 12 people, but 12 are active, while I have a supporter role and I didn't mint any voucher. So next up, I'll click on next, and my total allocation for the Paws airdrop is just 6,238.1. That is my total allocation for the Paws airdrop. If you minted an NFT, it's around 8,000 something, okay, from the last time I checked. But you cannot be able to redeem your NFT or convert your NFT into the Paws token, okay? You cannot be able to do that for now, but probably you have to get further instruction later. So let me know in the comment section what you have in your own allocation. Then the claim button here for this Paws airdrop is not yet active, but hopefully it will be active once the TGE has already been announced. So that's basically every single thing related to the Paws allocation airdrop. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.